and gentlemen, it's the grand finale. Welcome to the final of the 20th annual Karachi United School Championship. The teams are making their way out to the pitch. It's Scepter College versus Nixa College.
I'm sure we are in for a great match today. Scepter College versus Nixer College.
Absolutely. Yes, I do want Nixa to win, but there are so many players from Scepter that I admire and have come to become a fan of. And I wish both of these teams all the very best.
Well, the final is underway, and let's see how these teams will perform. Can Scepter add a second to their tally? All where Nixer equal KGS's record of 6 titles.
Early push by Awais Nadir on Zohair Khan. Zohair Khan, one of the absolute players of the tournament. An opportunity for Omar Shahrukh, Nix's vice captain, to launch the ball forward. He chooses to go short towards Wasin Ajam. Nixer looking to go for a patient approach. If we talk about both teams' road to the final, Nixer topped their group ahead of Highbrow College before dispatching Behria College Noor by 4 goals to nil. In the quarter-final, they were held to a 1-1 draw, surprisingly, by Credo College. Credo, in fact, were in Scepter's group, and they topped the group ahead of Scepter. And
They've
oh,
scored!
what a goal! Early goal!
Inside the second minute, Nixer have opened the scoring.
Ashar Rashid has produced a moment of brilliance. Out of nowhere, Nixer take an early lead. He goes over to his coach to give him a big hug for having faith in him, starting him again, even though Abdul Kakazai is back. And Ashar has repaid that faith.
What a moment that was in this match. Just look at that, Ashar slotting the ball in the far corner. Nothing the goalkeeper can do. And Scepter will have to look to turn this game around once more. They have done so on 2 occasions. Can they do it again?
And Bilal has headed it straight back to the Scepter captain. Zaid Khan with a great opportunity. He blazes it over.
And Bilal's been bailed out over there, apologizing to his teammates. And what a chance that was for Zaid Khan. He could have finished that. Just look at that.
That's the player you wanted to fall to. Zaid Khan just wide. Tried to go for placement.
And it's
No,
off target.
Yeah, he just miscued it. Didn't get a proper connection.
Trying to find the midfield.
And a missed clearance by Nixa's vice captain leads to the ball hitting his hand.
A free kick in a very dangerous position here. Abbas, Zaid, Hiban, all three standing over it.
Zaid Khan and Abbas standing over it. Scepter with the opportunity. Here's the captain. Just over the crossbar.
And the ball goes out for a goal kick.
And that's an opportunity. A really good shot. Shan and Abdullah and Omar Shahrukh is there on the line.
Well, what a save that was by Shan, and what a good clearance by Omar.
Yes, Nixer under a little bit of pressure now. Scepter have done well since conceding the goal, as they have done throughout this knockout stages.
Just take a look at that.
Yes, Mohammad with the effort from distance. Shan with the acrobatic save. Then on the follow-up, he was beaten. But then there was no one there for the cutback by Abdullah Sami.
Scepter trying to find a way through. And it goes out for a throw-in.
Yes, a 5-man wall in front of Shan in the Nixer goal.
And Shan well off his far side. Abbas will look to fancy his chances.
Will it be Hiban? Will it be Abbas? Here's Scepter with a chance to equalize. Abbas deflected and he spilled it. And Rajayan has missed an open goal.
Well, what a chance that was. Shan almost. Let's take a look at that again. Abbas with the free kick. It struck the wall, came down. Shan couldn't get to it and just a knee in the hips. Lawyer trying to keep Zaid Khan at bay. He somehow manages to wriggle free. Zaid Khan inside the box.
He's done really well here. It's a handball by a Scepter. It's a handball by a Scepter. No. It's a penalty for Scepter. Referee has deemed it a handball by a Nixa player. And Scepter have been given a way back into it.
That is a very surprising decision there by the referee.
From here it looked like handball by a Scepter striker. Zaid Khan doing really well, getting a shot in on the near post. But came back up and it looks like it did hit Salahuddin's hand. It's Zaid Khan up against Shan in the Nixa goal. Up steps the Scepter captain. Zaid Khan for Scepter. He does get it past Shan underneath the body of the Nixa keeper. It's Scepter 1, Nixa 1, all to play for again.
What a penalty that was. Shan guessed the right way, but it was under him. And Scepter have done well. They have looked dangerous. And let's take a look at this penalty. Low penalty. Shan guessed it right, but the ball sneaks in.
Yes, Shan dove in the right direction, but he just couldn't get down in time. Too much power.
And Nixa aren't too happy. The calls aren't going their way.
Here's Salahuddin. He's won the ball. He does get it in. Asher with a great opportunity. A header back. And the goalkeeper almost left it.
Well, he got a touch to it, so
Yes.
it's gone out for a corner.
What an opportunity right at the end for Nixa. Salahuddin's cut back, evading every Scepter defender. Asher, and credit to Kumel. He came out, made himself big, and made that stop. Opportunity for Zaid Khan. He's wriggling through. He's through here. Shan does really well. His best moment of the game.
Well, what a chance that was for Zaid. He was through. He left the centre backs and Shan came out to collect the ball.
A great opportunity for Scepter's captain. But Shan very, very bravely out and falling at the feet of the Scepter captain, collecting the ball.
They're not too happy so far with the referee's decisions. Throw comes in and it goes out.
Yes, we will have confirmation of that yellow card for you in just a bit.
Throw in for Nixa deep inside Scepter's half, taken quickly. Adyan. And the ball goes out for a goal kick. And that will be half time. Scepter College 1, Nixa College 1. What a half it has been. Nixa College opening the scoring early on and Scepter coming back to equalize.
Half time in the final is Scepter College 1, Nixa College 1.